ordered this tail light decal from Luxe Auto Tint. What is in the box is the decal itself, microfiber cloth with a cleaning spray, and a squeegee. There's also a water-based application fluid that comes in the box. Additionally, you will need scissors and some painter's tape. There is instructions in here, but nothing specifically for this decal. Alright, so step one is take out the decal, and you're going to have to cut out the black border. Kind of pretty much leave all white. The black border should not be there when you're going to install it. Alright, so I'm going ahead and cut it out, and it should look like that. Little triangle there to help you align it. Now you're going to want to prep the surface with the rest of the material. So Luxe does provide you with everything you need. Here's the microfiber cloth that you'll use to paint it, squeegee, and then the prepping spray. One thing to make sure to do is always rip off these tags. Don't be afraid to use the cleaning solution. Alright. Now that you have the surface cleaned, go ahead and line it up to see where it is. You will have these dots, these little indentations here to use for your alignment. I kind of cut my little marker there wrong, so I have to kind of eyeball it now. What you can do is press the unlock. The lights will go off and kind of help you, keep it within the red. Once you figure that out, you can go ahead and use some painter's tape to keep it kind of centered there. Alright, now that you have it lined up, you'll use the squeegee to make sure it's all pressed against the backing paper. That way it doesn't lift when you peel it after the install. Once that is done, you'll pretty much lift this, apply the wet solution, which comes in another clear bag here. And then you'll start to peel the backing. So again, slowly peel it kind of at an angle, that way it doesn't lift. We lost one of the little squares, but whatever. So now that the surface is prepped, again, probably press your unlock to light it up and help you see. Again, the solution is supposed to help you maneuver it around. Alright. Now you'll take the squeegee and start applying it. Kind of work your way at an angle for the water to come out. You can use a heat gun to help you push this water out. Pretty much just keep doing that and then let it dry, and then pass it over one more time. Alright, so I did bring out the heat gun to see if I could speed this up a little. Again, pushing all the water out. Alright, so let's focus on this. Again, an angle. This is Alright, so now you give you a closer look. Again, watch it. Now let's turn it on. If you can see that. I'll go ahead and give you a closer look. Pretty simple. Alright, there it is.
You start